Come on, baby. Roll it down.
Still in Maputo, loving it as usual. Each day gets better with a visit, and I'm very fortunate to be sharing a taxi and sitting here. Ooh, and we almost got into an accident. Maputo driving. Mauro, yes. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
You are taking us to a very special place.
Yes.
What is it? What is it called?
The Mafalala.
The Mafalala.
Mafalala. Everything for us, for be independent, start there.
Got it. So, I have not been here in a long time,
yeah.
All right? I can see there's buildings, there's developments, things are growing, right? But what am I not seeing?
I don't know. For me, it's really strange and difficult to talk about development. I can say yes, few peoples. They have mining, they got some people some jobs, but it's not a development for me.
So how do you use the politics to inspire for your photography?
I think photos is not a click, I can say. It's not a shoot. Photos, it's more than that. One of my favorite places in Maputo is Mafalala.
Yes. Okay. Why? Why do you like Mafalala?
Because they have a really people.
Real people.
Real people.
So it is obviously
it's mixed people. You see here, you have Indian, white people.
Oh really?
People.
In Mafalala?
In Mafalala, yeah.
Have you been to Alexandra in South Africa? This is like but it's also and it's got wide streets.
Yeah.
The streets in Alex and that big.
No, but
you went more? Okay. So one of your most famous pictures, certainly your favorite picture, one of my favorite pictures, A Luta Continua, was shot here. Tell us the story of how that happened.
The photos I took here with one really beautiful woman, stronger woman, is a prostitute. So most of the time I come here to talk with the people. Then I discovered these ladies. Then I asked her to take some photos. Then she said, yeah, you can take here. I said, but I don't like this place. Then she said to me, let's go around here, but not far from this place. If you see something, you can take photos. Then I asked her, I need to pay? She said, no. I say, why? Because you give me the real good smile. You know, the luta continua is something stronger. But for me, it's how the value you can lose about because money.
Your own self-value. Yeah.
This talk a lot for us African people.
Right.
A luta continua. We need continue fighting to preserve a lot of things for us. It's a luta continua, it's a luta.
It is continuing. Yeah. Now it's a luta, because they're looting.
Yeah.
I'm a proper Maputo woman now.
Yeah.
Woman of Mafalala.
Yeah.